Yeah, what's good, my people? So today we have a stretch res tutorial for Farlight. I'll just get straight into it for y'all. I will be showing through Nvdia, but it works the same way as AMD. I will put the AMD pictures up on screen for y'all. Other than that, let's just get straight into it. So step one, you need to right click your desktop and then you'll see basically Nvdia control panel. But for AMD users, you will see like AMD Adrenaline or AMD Radeon. Like you would see your graphics card version of it. Basically, it'll say like AMD something. Okay, so now once you're here, when on control panel, what you'd have to do is go to adjust desktop size and position. Once you're there, make sure your scaling mode is on full screen. And then from there, you would have to make sure your perform scaling, make sure it's on GPU and not display. And then select override, make sure override is on, by the way, for Nvidia users. For the AMD users, all you have to do is make sure you just go to the gaming page, go to display, and then you'll see this page on your display. Make sure you have image scaling on full panel, right? That's all you need. And make sure GPU scaling is enabled. From there, then now we move on to the custom resolution side. So from here, you'll see this page. When you click on change resolution, make sure you're on the right monitor that's at the top. If you don't see your custom resolution here already in the list, then you would have to click on customize. And that's where we get with the custom resolution. So once you click customize, you will see a list of custom resolutions that's already on your PC. And if it's not selected, that means it won't pop up for Nvdia as well. So make sure you click on create custom resolution. Once you click on that, I'll have a list of different reses that you could use. So once you figured out what resolution you decided on using, just put it in from first to last and make sure you put your monitor refresh rate. And then make sure your scan type is on progressive. And then from there, you would just click on test. Your screen will go black for like a second. And then you just click on apply for the resolution. But I already have it, so I just haven't shown it. But from here, I'll show the AMD side, and then I'll show how to use it in game and how to turn it off. If you're on AMD, it will be in the same area as display. And make sure you click on your display 1 or 2, depending on which monitor you're on. Then you'll see on the right side, it'll say create the custom resolution. And it'll be the same steps as the Nvdia side on how to put it in with progressive, and make sure you put the same monitor refresh rate. So basically, I will show the process of how it usually works when you want to just play Farlight. So you would just go back to your Nvdia side or your AMD side, click on the res and from the list, because it'll already be there from your custom resolution that you made. You will click on 1440, apply it, click yes, then your resolution will change. Then from there, you just open up Steam, or if you have the China client for Farlight, just open it up. So from here, the resolution will already be set on Farlight 84 when you already have selected your res for your desktop, and then happy playing basically. And then I'll also show what it looks like. Let's say you're getting off Farlight, how to revert back to your normal res if you want to watch a video, or maybe you play a different game on a different resolution, or pretty much. But this also works for other games as well, not just Farlight. So you just closed Farlight and now you want to go back to your res. You just open up back to Nvdia or AMD, right? Get back to your native resolution that you were on before, either 1920 by 1080, or maybe you're on a 1440p monitor. So you would be on a different stretch res, and you would have to go back to your native basically. So basically that's the simple way of how to do it and how to get stretch res in Farlight 84, and that works for other games as well. And if you haven't already, go check out my previous videos, such as using Ember's movement in the zipline building versus streamers, or my scrim highlights, or some cool movement clips. Make sure you check out my previous videos if you haven't. And if you enjoyed the stretch res tutorial and it worked, let me know your comments down below.